Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to make this blouse. So we are going to begin with our pattern paper. We already made our basic bodice, but it is dartless. We made it dartless. So we cut out the back with that same pattern paper, and now we are going to cut out the front. So you measure 0.5 inches from the neck and you measure 4 lines. Like that on both sides. This pattern paper is on fold. So you get your ruler and make those lines up to down like that. Then you mark also on the other side and make those lines even on that side like that. So you're going to cut them all the way through. And do not cut them to split up the pattern paper. Yes, my dear, if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you have subscribed, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we put up a new video. So we are going to get our fabric and spread it on our pattern paper on our fabric. We shall measure. I measured 1 inch between those splits, so you can measure 1.5 to according to how wide you want them to be, but 1 inch I think is enough. So you lay out like that and cut out. You're going to lay out like that, then mark. When you're marking, you can leave your seam allowance in case you did not add the seam allowance on the pattern paper, but I added mine. You add the seam allowance while cutting. But when I'm making my pattern papers, most times I mark the seam allowance on my patterns. So we are going to cut out like that. And I'm notching up because I need to know where the dots pass. So that's why I notch up and down. So after I remove my pattern paper, then I am going to pin those notches. Wherever I notch, there is a dot there. I pin. So I'll sew it on my sewing machine to keep it in place. Then I'll join it with a back pattern. I join the front and the back together. Like that. Then we are going to work now on our sleeves. I got a sleeve, a basic sleeve, and cut it into 4 parts like that. Then I arranged it on the fabric like that. So I get my chalk and trace where that sleeve passes like that. So you can pin it down. I didn't pin it down. You can pin it down to keep it in place. So after that, I cut out. And when you're cutting out, notch the places where or mark the places where you have to fold in. So I folded my sleeve like that. While pinning it, I used a sealing tape, a paper sealing tape. So after I get my pattern and straighten it up, then I sew the the sleeves on the top of blouse, and that's how it came out. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye bye.